Welcome to The Sam Show. Whether you've watched before or this is your first time being here. Hi, I'm Sam and I'm thankful that you are here with me on Auntie Tay's YouTube channel. Today's episode, I'm going to show you how I DIY'd this Farmhouse Coffee Nook in my house. It turned out really cute and it was really simple. So let's get started. Hey everyone, it's Sam from the Auntie Tay team and you're watching The Sam Show. Let's go make some fun things. Here is the before of my little coffee nook, and technically it's not a coffee nook. Matt and I originally wanted to put coffee there, but it's a little too low for our dogs, but it's still going to be coffee inspired. As you can see, I did some print and cut just on regular cardstock for some farm and coffee themed things. Originally, I was going to cut everything out of paper and make it really fancy and layered, and when I saw that windmill, I loved it and thought, heck no, I am not cutting that out of vinyl or paper or anything. So then I went with print and cut, and honestly, all I did was black and white, so I think print and cut was perfect for this. I used a hole punch and punched holes where I wanted to. You can do this in Design Space or whatever your design program is. I just did it the good old-fashioned way and punched holes where I thought I wanted to put them, and then I just strung some twine I had through it, and it was really that simple. So now I have a banner that's going to go up top and cover up a good portion of the wall and that empty space up top. My other two projects were these little houses that I got from Dollar Tree. The one that's black is actually a chalkboard, so I'm going to do something special with that. But first, let's do the other one. I am using chalkboard vinyl only because I wanted a permanent vinyl with a matte finish, and the only other matte finished black vinyl I had was temporary vinyl. So I used chalkboard vinyl, which it's actually really thick and I like the texture it gives off. For this whole project, I was using different Auntie Tay bundles. There is like a farmer's market one and a coffee bundle. Also, if you look under like home signs and stuff like that, you can find a lot of these files. I just picked all the farmhouse vibes that had coffee or farm related things and went off of that. Once I had my image weeded, I use clear transfer tape to transfer the vinyl onto the little white house. I could have gotten a lot fancier with this. I think this would still be cute with a green little like wreath up top, like a tiny little one, but I was really keeping it simple. I don't know why. I love the black and white simple look when it comes to my house. So for the other house that's chalkboard, I am using Stencil vinyl and I am going to cut out a little coffee mug decal and make it into a stencil, thus the Stencil vinyl. So you're going to reverse weed this, so you're going to weed out the part that you normally would keep, and you're going to create a stencil. With that stencil, I am putting it on to the house, which is, like I said earlier, chalkboard. So I am going to use a chalk paint marker from Marvy. That's an Auntie Tay partner, so you can save money with your Auntie Tay membership code on their website. And I'm just coloring it in. Now, you could just color it in if you're really good at graphics, but this is a great way to get some detailed fun things, and it really wasn't that hard. I did 2 layers, so I let the first layer dry and then I went back in just so it looked absolutely perfect, but you still get the handmade feel with the marker. I just thought it was so cool. And then if I want to change it, I can just make another stencil or I can write something out myself. I just thought it was a fun way to change it up. When it's dry, definitely wait until it's completely dry. You're going to just pull off the stencil vinyl. You might need to use a weeding tool to help pull it up, but it came out so cute. This is how I put it all together. I had a buffalo plaid piece of fabric I put down, and then I placed the houses, one on the scale and one down by my little barn. I hung the banner up top using command strips that I keep up year round. Put some faux florals for now, but hopefully this summer in my vase I'll have real flowers. So here's the before again. So boring. It needs a facelift, and we gave it just that. This is how it all turned out. Once again, I love it. It was so many simple projects that brought this all to life, and I hope you guys loved the different techniques, as simple as they were, and you will use them some way in your own home. Thanks for tuning in, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye!